The Samsung J17 Prime 5G, imagined as a flagship killer device, would combine premium features and performance at a disruptive price point to compete directly with high-end flagship phones. At its core, it could be powered by a top-tier Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 processor coupled with 12 to 16 gigabytes of RAM and up to 1 terabyte of UFS storage, ensuring buttery-smooth multitasking, gaming, and AI-driven tasks. The phone would likely sport a vibrant 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a 120 to 144 Hz refresh rate, deep color accuracy, and high brightness for immersive media and gaming experiences. Photography could be a major highlight with a 400MP main camera supported by advanced ultra-wide and telephoto sensors, delivering professional-level detail, dynamic range, and low-light performance. A massive 9,000 mAh battery with ultra-fast wired and wireless charging would power the device through heavy usage without worry. Additional premium features might include 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 7, stereo speakers, in-display fingerprint security, and a sleek glass and metal design, all running the latest version of One UI on Android. By blending flagship-level hardware with thoughtful software and strong battery life, the Samsung J17 Prime 5G could stand out as a true powerhouse in the competitive smartphone landscape.